So good morning guys and welcome back to our channel. So we just woke up. Some of us brushing teeth and stuff. Let's start here brush teeth already. And we are tired because we went to bed late last night. Some of the kids are still sleeping. The girls are still sleeping. The boys are up. So we order in-room service. Yeah. And then today we're gonna go to St. Mary. I'm gonna go to the river. There's a pool here, but there's a lot of people here who don't want to be in the pool when there's so many people here. So we're gonna go to St. Mary and then we're gonna go to the river. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy ourselves, guys. We don't always get time to do these things. So when we get the chance and the time, we do it. We enjoy ourselves.
Okay, yeah.
So guys, I'll see you after breakfast. Jessica and Maya, they're sleeping. So we join the bed together. So they have a big bed to sleep in. These one are in here washing their face and brushing their teeth. Justin finished washing his face, brushing his teeth. Say morning, Justin. Hey, Jordan. Say morning. Yeah. Hey, Maya. You wake up? We're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go to the river. Want to go to the river with the floaty? Let's go.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
You feeling sick? Where? Where are you feeling sick? Your throat? Jessica, go brush teeth. And brush Maya's teeth. Maya, I'm gonna brush your teeth here. You can eat something so I can buy some medicine. Okay, from here, cool. You have cold? Alright, brush teeth so you can get food. And then you can clean medicine. I'm sleepy. Guys, we had our breakfast and now I'm sleepy. Sinus acting up, so I took the sinus pills. It's making me so sleepy. I'm gonna get some rest. And then we're gonna yeah, get some medication for Jemiah. Her throat hurting. And then probably go to Buscabel. I was gonna say Buscabel. Buscabel. We were going to go in the pool, but I don't not today. Because a lot of people are here.
We're taking the kids there.
We're going to maybe we go to the river because we'll change our mind.
We're going to Little Downs River.
It's a Downs River?
Center. That's a local Downs River, not the big Downs River for the tourists.
What's Sean? Little Downs River have enough people now, yeah?
No.
Correct.
If not, we're going to go right river.
Yeah, go back at the river, right? River vibes. Oh, man. Okay, guys, so right now we're gonna relax, get some sleep, and then talk to you after. Okay, guys, so we're on the road again. We are on the road again. Mr. Peter over there driving.
We're going to the river.
Yeah, we're going to the river, guys.
Yeah.
These are little Pierce over there. Say hi.
Oh.
One more?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. They all know it's the next day, Jessica.
She said the next day, girl. You're talking to my
Guys, let me tell you. Visit Villa Sonate.
It's
It's very nice, guys. Very nice, very relaxing, very quiet. And not only that, the food is good.
Yeah.
Take it from me,
So
guys.
true.
The food is very good. I just met the chef a while ago in the office, in the is it the lobby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I met the chef. We met the chef.
And the staff
And the staff
are very
yeah,
very nice.
very nice. Very
Trust me.
nice.
You guys got to check it out.
Yeah.
It's not a big villa, but it's lovely. It's very quiet.
And sometimes it's even better than the big ones.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You guys got to check it out. It's
Yeah.
really good.
It's really nice.
The food is good for sure, and the service is good. So
So we are going on the road, guys, to the river, and they make sure they pack our lunch. Look, guys, let me show you. They pack our lunch
yeah.
and send us, well, give us to take to the river. So that's good. They gave us our lunch. They said, like, come on, take your lunch and go have fun and come back when you're ready.
Place is hot though. It's very hot.
It's hot though. It's summer, Sean. Summer coming soon, so you can expect it's going to be hot. So tonight, well, after dinner, guys, we'll be going into the pool because the kids want to go into the pool. Sean want to go to say hi to his mommy in St. Mary, so we're going to stop at the river also. Sean, look out. Is this car an idiot? The car, so you're coming in and speed and just drive out. It's the person driving. Sorry, not the car. Oh, yeah. The person driving. Guys, we are coming in on speed. And this car just come on the road, just cut in on us. Boop. They're always doing that, I don't know why. What was I saying again? Oh yeah, when we come back from St. Mary, we are going after dinner. We are going to go into the pool. So guys, we didn't get to go to the river because when we went to St. Mary, it was raining. So it, just saying whenever time it rains, the river come down. So we didn't want to go in the water, and the river came down. Jordan! So we came back. We just went to look for Sean's mommy, Junior's mommy, and then we came back. We're now at the hotel, so we're going to go into the pool. Justin, take off your slippers. So the kids are down there. Let me show you.
I begin to
So guys, we're over here in the water having loads of fun. What happened? Shark got me. Go and stay up there.
Look, mommy, look at me.
You get and turn back, turn back. Maya, go back up there. Come back, Jordan, come back.
Hey, look at me.
Look at me now, look at you. Look at me now, look at you. Look at me.
Swimming. Get me smaller. Look at me now. Look.
So now we're gonna go up and bed and go get me. Woo. Come, Jamayan. Come, Jordan. Jordan, come. Maya, right, Maya?
No.
So why are you walking like that? Okay guys, so we are out of the pool. Now we're going to bathe. We'll take a shower guys. And then we're gonna go for dinner. Yeah. In the pool was fun guys, it was fun. My hair is wet. It's not that wet. You can see that just. Okay guys, so see you after. Okay guys, so now we're all fresh and we're going for dinner. Jessica. Come guys, come. Take a finger out your mouth, Jordan. Come Maya.
Come on. Look at you, look at me.
Come Jordan.
And this is our spot. Now one.
Come Maya, sit right here.
Nice and
Yes, there we go.
They're all sitting down.
Mommy, nice and soft.
Jordan, what were you just doing?
And that's the back section of the property.
Sweet and sour chicken. We want we can sample both? Yeah. Alright. What do you want? You want both? You want ship? You want ship? No, you no fish for the babies. Sweet, yeah. Thank you. Guys, I was just here eating, enjoying my meal, but I totally forgot to show you guys. Enjoying it, Maya? Eat up. Eat up. Let it take a picture. We got games, guys. We got board games to play tonight. It's also that turn on.
So what turn this one on?
I don't know. Show the game, show the game, show the game, show the game, show the game. On the other side.
Oh, good. Maya is such a smart girl.
You're just a smart girl, huh?
Let's turn on that light.
Exactly. And our cake over here, guys, our dessert. Looking lovely, so delicious. Ooh, look at that, guys.
We're playing hats.
Maya, wait, this one get there, wait.
So Justin is competing with his father, and Justin is gonna whoop Daddy.
Yeah, with Daddy.
Who is voting for Justin?
Me, Justin.
Who is voting for Daddy?
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy,
So what we're playing is not chess. We're playing giraffe. That's a Jamaican. I don't know. I don't know. That's what I learned when I was.
When you go now.
Okay, this one. What's here?
Okay, make a move. Okay, cool. Not leave it alone, Jordan.
John, don't quote the game.
Cheating.
Who quote the game?
Daddy.
You gotta give me something.
This is going.
You got to give me something.
Justin, put one right here.
No.
No, put it right here. You have to take it. And you're going to take him back. Something you have to take for taking him.
Yeah.
So what I would do then is do like that.
Take him back, Justin. Exactly.
Then my move.
Bam, bam. Justin, no. GP, that shouldn't. Oh, man.
Yeah.
No, I have one.
Justin, just give him this, make him take it. I take him back. You're going up there, so. Give him. Give him. No. You don't have to take it. You know what? Put this right here, son. Put this right here.
I feel like when I listen to you all the time.
She's gonna kill the hell out of me.
And put this right here, son, now.
Just put this
See what
right
you're
over
gonna
here.
do.
Justin is going to kill
Right
him.
over
Wait, Justin, come right here.
Yeah.
Just do it. Somebody have to die.
You want to follow mommy?
Ah, no. Sean, we never start. No, put it back, Sean. No, Sean.
I'm doing this.
Alright, don't follow me, Justin. Don't follow. Don't follow me, Justin.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Oh, Lord. How's Justin?
Where's the queen?
Make him move. No, when you go down to here, so down on my side, you do that.
Okay, I got
Leave it on my, leave it on my.
Daddy has taken me down and I haven't taken one. Wait, Daddy.
I'll play Daddy
One.
next.
I took one.
So, guys, that's what we're doing now. We're playing games.
Seriously.
Come down.
Okay.